Ovulation symptoms. The most common symptoms of ovulation include a change in cervical mucus. Cervical mucus changes in consistency and color during ovulation. It may become thicker, more slippery, and more clear. Abdominal cramps or pains. Some women experience mild cramps in the lower abdomen around the time of ovulation. Heightened sense of smell. Heightened sense of smell may be experienced around the time of ovulation. Increased sex drive. Many women experience an increased libido during ovulation. Light spotting. Some women may experience light spotting or light bleeding around the time of ovulation. Breast tenderness. Some women may experience tenderness or soreness in the breasts around the time of ovulation. Increased basal body temperature. Basal body temperature generally rises slightly around the time of ovulation. Change in cervical position. The cervix may become softer and higher around the time of ovulation. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get new video updates.